I'm Shalom, and today we shall study about the interchange of degrees of comparison. Now, let me do a karate blow. Suppose if I give you a blow and do like this. So, why did I do this? This is a sign of interchange. We interchange one sentence to the second sentence and second sentence to one sentence. Interchange means to exchange the degrees of comparison. So we change the degree of comparison. It is possible to change the degree of comparison of an adjective or an adverb in a sentence without changing the meaning of a sentence. So we have to apply 9 rules to interchange the degree of comparison. Let's see what are the 9 rules of the degree of comparison. First we see that in positive there is no comparison. In comparative we compare between two things, and in superlative we compare more than two things. So in superlative, in the first rule, we see that Bruce Lee was the strongest man. We have to put the before the superlative degree to form the first rule. So we say Bruce Lee was the strongest man. Always the comes before the superlative degree. Now in comparative, how we can change from superlative to comparative? We say Bruce Lee was stronger than any other man. Here then is followed by any other or most other in the comparative. So we say Bruce Lee was stronger than any other man. And how do we change into positive? Yes, we say no other man was as strong as Bruce Lee. No other is followed by as. We add an adjective plus as. So always remember that in the first rule we have the strongest, then we change into comparative by writing here then followed by any other, and no other in positive to as, adjective as. Now let us see the second rule. Mumbai is one of the biggest of Indian towns. As I told you earlier, the comes before the superlative degree. Always remember that one of is always in the superlative degree. So I have written the second rule as Mumbai is one of the biggest of the Indian towns. In the from superlative to comparative, I have written Mumbai is bigger than most other Indian towns. Here then is followed by most other. So when we compare one thing to every other thing of the same kind, we have to change into positive and comparative. Now how do we change into positive? Yes, we start with very few. Very few Indian towns are as big as Mumbai. Very few is followed by as plus adjective as. So always remember in the second rule that is one of the biggest. Bigger than is followed by most other than the comparative, and positive very few is followed by as, adjective as. Now let us see with the third rule. Here we compare between two persons. Madhuri Dixit is a better dancer than Sri Devi. Better is always used in the comparative form. We do not add in the superlative sentence because whenever we are comparing between two persons, we do not have a superlative degree. So there is no sentence in the superlative degree. In comparative, we say Madhuri Dixit is a better dancer than Sri Devi. She dances better than Sri Devi. In positive, Sri Devi is not as good a dancer as Madhuri Dixit. Now you'll be wondering why I added not in the positive. Because you always have to remember the rule. Whenever there is an affirmative sentence in the comparative degree, we have to change it into a negative sentence in the positive degree. So here we say that Madhuri Dixit is a better dancer. Here we say Sri Devi is not as good a dancer as Madhuri Dixit. So always remember third rule, we have to compare between two persons. Then we have to apply this third rule. Now let us go to the fourth rule. Here also we compare between two persons. But they are not equal. Madhuri is not less graceful than Vaida Rahman. Here we say Madhuri is not less. It is a negative in the comparative. But Madhuri is as graceful as Vaida Rahman. They are equal. Madhuri is as graceful as Vaida Rahman in the positive. From negative we have changed to positive degree. So we do not have a not over here. Here we have a not. So whenever we say when two people are equal, we say Madhuri is not less graceful than Vaida Rahman and Madhuri is as graceful as Vaida Rahman. The both of the meaning are the same. that Madhuri is graceful than Vaida Raymond. So let us look at the fifth rule. Here also we compare between two persons. Sonu Nigam sings better than Mika Singh. Better than, and positive we say Mika Singh does not sing as well as Sonu Nigam. Now you may be wondering that in positive we say good, better, best. Why did not add good over here? Most of the girls, whenever they see better than, they change into has, good as. But that's incorrect. Why it is incorrect? Because better is an adverb. So we have to change into, whenever it's an adverb, we have to change into well. So whenever you have this type of sentence in your exams, Sonu Nigam sings better than Mika Singh, you have to change into a negative sentence, and Mika Singh does not sing as well as Sonu Nigam. So this is the fifth rule. Now let us see the sixth rule. Kapil Dev was a better bowler than a batsman. You have seen that I have compared Bruce Lee with other men. Mumbai I have compared with other towns. Madhuri Dixit is compared with Sridevi. Madhuri is compared with Vaida Rahman. Sonu Nigam is compared with Mika Singh. But here I have not compared Kapil Dev with any other person. I have compared it with his qualities. Kapil Dev is an all-rounder. He is a better bowler than a batsman. Here we compare between two qualities. Whenever you compare between two qualities, you have to apply this sixth rule. Kapil Dev was a better bowler than a batsman. So he was better in bowling. Now we have to make the affirmative into negative in the positive degree. Kapil Dev was not as good as a batsman as he was a bowler. Both the meanings are the same. So remember this sixth rule when we have to compare two qualities. Let us go to the seventh rule. Shah Rukh Khan has won more awards than Salman Khan. Of course, Shah Rukh Khan is very popular and he has won more awards. So we see more is a countable noun, and it changed into positive degree by writing Salman Khan has not won. It's a negative, has not won as many awards as Shah Rukh Khan. Here we say many is a quantity. It takes up a plural countable noun. Awards, we can say here Shah Rukh Khan has won 1, 2, 3 awards. So we have see that it is a number, it is a countable. So whenever you have countable nouns which has a word like more, it will change into many. Shah Rukh Khan has won more awards than Salman Khan. You have to change and write Salman Khan has not won as many awards as Shah Rukh Khan. This is used for countable. Now we see in uncountable, you have to use the eighth rule. Shah Rukh Khan has more popularity than Chunky Pandey. And we change positive degree. Chunky Pandey does not have as much popularity as Shah Rukh Khan. We see that much is used for a quantity. We cannot count it. It takes an uncountable noun, a singular uncountable noun. So always remember uncountable noun. When you say Shah Rukh Khan has more popularity than Chunky Pandey, we have to apply the seventh rule and say in the positive degree and make it negative by saying Chunky Pandey does not have as much as popularity as Shah Rukh Khan. Let us look at the last rule, that is the ninth rule. My brother writes more slowly than I do. We usually say slow, slower, slowest. But here in positive I have added as slowly. Because slowly is an adverb. We do not say more slowly, more slower. We have to write the sentence in this way. My brother writes more slowly than I do. And changes into positive by saying I do not write as slowly as my brother does. As more slowly changes to as slowly. Now we see that in the positive degree, we have to remember this rule that no other is followed by as adjective as, very few is followed by as adjective as, and in comparative we use more than is followed by any other or most other. Usually we say any other. In superlative we use the most, one of the biggest. So these are the 9 rules of to interchange the degree of comparison. You have to understand the sentence and you have to see what is compared with what, and then write your sentence in your exams. Thank you.